Yes, yes, yes. This is Big Ben, and I'm live, If you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Big Ben. I am a professional trader, professional swing trader. I day trade the financial markets Monday through Friday, and I swing trade crypto. So if this is something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing money, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you don't know how to make money in this current market, definitely hit that subscribe button, because over here we are making money in this current market, So what I do is basically go to the charts and look for certain patterns and take advantage of those patterns. So let's get this party started. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice, okay? And let's see what's going on in this chat room. What's going on? And hey, what's going on, Dom? So Dom, you might be the only one here. Might be the only one here today on a Saturday. Depending on how YouTube send out my notifications, okay? So right now it's just me and Dom. Let me see. Of course, we're gonna wait. Of course, we're gonna wait for a couple of people. But if you are watching the replay, you can actually go to settings. Okay, go to settings, hit that speed button, go to 1.5 or 2, which can actually speed up the video. So let's get this party started. Shout out to everybody that's here. Okay, so what we're looking at here, is we're looking at a market that is basically still weak. Okay, still weak. Hey, what's going on, Jude? What's going on, Glenn, BJ? Okay, yeah, we're looking at right here, guys. We're looking at a market that is still weak. That's why I'm very surprised. Yesterday, people got happy. I don't know. People was actually happy last. It was yesterday or the day before yesterday. Had a couple of trolls in the what do you call that, in the chat room. I can't believe it. I really don't believe why people are still getting happy when they see one green bar. I just don't get it. Okay, I mean, you would think people will learn their lesson over and over and over, but I guess they don't. For some reason, most people just get happy when it comes to one green bar. So let's see. That's good with Cedric. What's good with Richard? What's good with TB dollar signs? What's going on? For Shard, what's going on? Glenn, you said you're watching shark movies. Shout out to Glenn. He's watching shark movies. All right. What shark movie you watching? So shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. So let's go to CoinMarketCap first. Okay, let's refresh this. And guys, this is why I love to look at the numbers. Numbers never lie. Okay. The news could always lie. The news could always make things seem better than it really is, right? They can write anything, but the numbers are the numbers. Right now, the volume is still low on BTC. The market cap is at 220, actually 211 billion. Okay. Pretty much a lot of these altcoins shot up yesterday. Okay, I had a lot of, actually it wasn't yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. Yeah, I had a lot of people happy. Yesterday about this up move. So Edgar, you said you made $1,700 today. Let me know on what. Let me know, Edgar. Okay. Finished my course and won my first 3 trades. So shout out to you, Richard. You said you finished the course, Richard? Richard, you said you finished the course? And Edgar, let me know what you did today to make that 1,700. So shout out to Richard. He finished the course and he said he won his first 3 trades. So let me give him the cha-ching button. And Edgar, let me know how you make that 1,700. Okay, so shout out to everybody that's here making money in this current market. Most people are waiting. Okay, they've been waiting for the whole year. So it looks, you know, the way this bear market is pretty much they're going to be waiting for the entire year. Okay, so if you are in the waiting game, if you really want to wait, if that's your style, then, you know, more power to you. But over here, we want to make money right now. So shout out to you. Dom said he made $329. Shout out to Don. Shout out to Dom, man. Dom is actually one of my loyal subscribers, one of my students making his money out here. Shout out to you, man, making that $329 today. So shout out to you. Okay, so I hear that, Edgar. Hey, what's going on, Leslie Savage? What's going on, King Kathy? What's going on? Chichia, what's going on? You said sell. It all depends on your situation, Chichia. So, you know, what coins do you have? You know, what's going on with your portfolio? What's going on? Shout out to everybody that's here. So what we're looking at right here, guys, is a typical bear market, guys. I mean, I've been through a bear market before, so you know, this is not new to me at all. A typical bear market, we have these run-ups, and then the next day or the next week, you know, price slams right back down. That's how bear markets work. That's why I don't get why people get happy on one green candle. I just don't get it. Okay, I told you guys, there's plenty of times anything that's usually too obvious in the bear market, it's not gonna work. So let's see what I have in the comment box. And shout out to everybody that's here. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you have any questions, let me know. I've been doing this for 11 years. So let me know. So let's see what's in the chat right now. Okay, let's see. Richard says study and went to the trade in BitMax. So shout out to you, Richard. I'm glad to see you making this money. I don't really have no thoughts. K Vargas. I don't really have no thoughts on any altcoins right now because we're in the bear market. Every altcoin right now is going to get, most likely is going to get clipped. So Edgar said, what's going on, Edgar? Thanks a lot for that super chat. Edgar said, keep doing what you do, Ben. So let me give Edgar that cha-ching sound. He actually made some money on that casino today. made some money on that casino today. So shout out to you. Thanks a lot for that $10 super chat. I appreciate it. Definitely appreciate it. Definitely appreciate it. And Richard said he made $174. So that's what's up. And shout out to Fashad that's giving me that $4 super chat. I appreciate it, man. I definitely do. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks a lot for that super chat. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot for joining the chat, and thanks a lot for supporting the channel. I appreciate it. Definitely do. So yeah, guys, in a bear market, you have to be very, very careful. Okay, and this is the reason why I come on here, on the live stream to tell you guys that don't have that FOMO in you, because a lot of people, automatically when they see green bars or the market go up a little bit, they feel that we are going to go back to the moon. And I tell people to relax. Just relax. Okay, just wait for confirmation. That's the best way to do it, especially in the bear market. Okay, you guys, you have to understand. Just treat a bear market like it's a bull market. Okay, so if for you guys that's looking at this right now, if you don't understand what's a bear market, just treat it like a bull market. Okay, would you sell in the bull market? Would you try to sell every little top in the bear market? I mean, the bull market. Would you try to do that? No. Would you try to sell every little top in the bull market? No, you won't. So if you're not going to do that in a bull market, why all of a sudden you want to be a genius in a bear market and try to buy every dip? Because a bear market is the opposite of a bull market. Okay, it could go up and then go down like a bull market. So guys, you have to be careful. Don't let these stupid YouTubers fool you. I know they're saying that, guys, this is the bottom, or keep on buying the dips. I know they're telling you that, but I can guarantee you these guys are not doing this full time, because they don't know how to make money in this current market. They don't. Okay, they've been saying the same thing over and over and over for the whole year. So be careful, guys, buying these dips. Let me see if I see any questions here. Fashad said, I'm new here, trying to learn. So shout out to you, Fashad. I appreciate it. I like to have new people. And Fashad, are you in something right now, Fashad? Are you in any coins right now? How's everything looking for you? Let me see if I see that one. Leslie said, yeah, I missed that one. What you miss? I think PTCs will pull back and then go back again. Yeah, it's a possibility. We'll probably go up one more time and pull back. But overall, guys, I don't like that red candle, and I don't like these other red candles. I'm reading these questions here. Yeah, so shout out to everybody that's here, guys. Thanks a lot for coming through. I might just make this a quick stream, but when we had that little pop the other day, let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so overall, we're looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in this little box right here. It's definitely finding a lot of resistance at 6,500. Okay, we hit it right here. We hit that 65, 66 right here. Boom. We hit it right here. Boom. We fell off. We hit it right here. Boom. And we hit it right here. Boom. So it's finding a lot of resistance. Is it possible? Can we go up one more time? It's a possibility. you know, it's a possibility. We could probably try to test it one more time, but right now things are looking weak, especially with the altcoins. Honestly, guys, you know, we definitely shouldn't. You know, these coins definitely shouldn't have what do you call that, went down this much today. Okay, it pretty much wiped out all the gains that it did the other day. So this is definitely not a bullish sign right here. So I definitely expect probably one more down leg. It's, guys, I mean, I don't know if you guys ever been through this before, but it's brutal. A bear market is very brutal. I'm telling you, it's very hard to know the bottom. Let's look at XRP. XRP is selling off a little bit right here. Let's look at Tron. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, let me know. Tron is hitting that moving average. That's what's going on with ETH. Okay. Same thing. Actually, ETH actually went under this bar right here. Let's go with the ETC. Let's see if I see any questions before I look at ETC. Abdul said, thanks for helping us. No problem, man. You said, could you explain time frame strategies? What do you mean by that? Time frame strategies. I'm confused when you mean by, you know, time frame strategies. Let me see here. If Bitcoin goes under 5K, what do you think Bitcoin will go to? If Bitcoin goes to 5K, basically, what I think the next stop would be somewhere around 45 or 4,000 before we. I mean, 5,000 is definitely going to be probably a big resistance, so we probably see another move up. Okay, at 5,000, but I think overall that next move up is not going to be, you know, nothing. I think it's going to go up a little bit and go slam right back down. So if we slam right back down and go past 5,000, the next step is 4,000. Let me see. You said I am you in XRP, TRX, and ADA. So let me ask you a question. What price did you buy XRP at and TRX? That's a quick question. And shout out to everybody that's here, man. Thanks a lot for joining this chat right now on a Saturday night. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll definitely have to do some studying when I get off this chat. We'll look at a couple of charts. So yeah, Litecoin. Litecoin, man, has a lot of room. Litecoin has a lot of room to go down. We can see $34 when it comes to Litecoin. We can see $34 right here. It could definitely break this low. So I really believe that Litecoin has a lot more downside. You know, it's sad, but you know, that's the type of market we're dealing with right now. So let's go to ETC real quick. Okay, ETC is trying to hold up, but ETC hit that moving average. Hit that moving average right here. Boom, and it's forming resistance at this moving average. Shot down like the rest. Okay. This is why I don't buy anything in a bear market. It's just a quick pump and they usually dump it. Richard said I stayed home to study and place my trades. Shout out to you. Yes, hit the likes if you are in this chat. Hit the likes. Hey, what's going on, Keith? I was wondering where you at. Keith, you was in the kitchen cooking. Keith, you was cooking in the kitchen. Ben, where can I short Big Connect? Oh man, that's funny. Big Connect is done. Imagine how much money you could have made if you shorted Big Connect at that top. That would have been crazy. Let me see. So you bought XIP at 29 cents and Tron at 2 cents. Yeah, I know. Man, shout out to you. I don't know if you, Fashad, did you get my course yet? Fashad, did you get my course yet? Let me know. Because I definitely understand what you're going through, man. Trust me, I do. Definitely understand. Let me see here. Keith said I was making some chicken and noodle soup. I just finished. It was up with the crackers, alright? Chef in the kitchen. What's going on, Rufus? Keith Chef. Keith the Chef. That's what's up. Making these noodles. Anybody in the chat room ever went on some type of like vegan diet with no meat? Anybody in the chat room ever went on a diet and you didn't eat meat for a while? Let me know. So let me see. Fashad said, I just wake up. You just wake up? What do you mean you just wake up, Fashad? Fashad, did you get my, you said you just wake up? I don't, what do you mean by that? I'm getting this money. Shout out to Richard. He's getting this money. Keith said, my wife has me today. I hear that. I hear that, man. Shout out to everybody that's here, and thanks. And you said like the show so far. Yes, shout out to you. Thanks a lot for Shard. Shout out to you. Shout out to everybody that's here, and thanks for people that gave me that super chat. So yeah, let's look at some more coins here. So ADA has that big honestly, guys, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna keep it real. This sell-off doesn't look good at all. It doesn't look good. You know, we'll see what's going on, but you know, it shouldn't. We definitely shouldn't have had a pump right here in the next day. Pretty much swallow that whole pump. So just be careful out here, guys. Richard said you gotta get your Far Rock gear. Check him out. Shout out to Richard. You from Far Rock, Richard? Yeah, so yeah, definitely check it out. Edgar said, do I still hold some coins? Yeah, a little bit of coins, but like I said before, the coins that I hold, I'm not actually worrying about them because I already took my profits. Except for TRX. I didn't take profits for TRX, but you know, it is what it is. Because I didn't make enough to take any profits, but I took a small loss on that one, which is okay. Let's see. Okay, yeah, Edgemere. Yeah, I definitely remember that. Shout out to Edgemere. I remember that, Richard. I remember you telling me that. TB dollar signs. You said peace. Who's a hater? Who's a hater here? Oh, Vajel? Oh, Vajel's a hater? Oh, okay. So Vajel said, "Hey, I just blocked Ben, guys." Let me read Vajel. Vajel said, "Hey, I just blocked Ben, guys. He's trying to sell us his course. That's all he cares about. Day trading sucks. Not worth peace." He said, "Not worth peace beers." I don't know what that means. But shout out to you, Vajel. Thanks a lot for your frustration. You know, if you feel that way, that's on you. But at the same time, you can't deny the truth. Okay, people are making money from my course, so at the end of the day, you can't deny truth. Let me see what's else in here. And Vajel thinks, you know, he thinks, I guess he thinks he know it all. Or you know what Vajel thinks? He thinks if he write that, people is going to unsubscribe and disappear. That's what he thinks. Vajel, you can't. It's very hard to. It's very rare to see a person on YouTube giving out the truth. So whatever you type in the comment box, trust me, it's not going to persuade my listeners, because it's very rare to have a person to come on YouTube and tell it like it is. Okay, if I really wanted to sell more courses or be a part of the norm, I would make moon videos. I would tell people, I will actually push ICOs, because most people don't understand. I can make more money promoting ICOs than I do with my 110 course. Okay, $110 is nothing. What is that? What's that gonna do? I can make more money pushing ICOs. So if I really wanted to go that route and make more money, I can do it. But you have to understand, the people that you're following right now, they don't know how to make money in this current market. Okay. Let's see if I see any more questions here. Fashad says 60% of XRP, the rest of Tron, XLM. I hear you. So you deep in XRP, which a lot of people are. A lot of people are deep in XRP. I feel you, man. And shout out to Vajal. Actually, he brought up the course. So let me, for anybody that's here that don't have the course, since he brought it up, if you don't have this course, check it out. It's the best course on the crypto space. Actually, in the crypto space. On a live stream, I give it out to you guys practically for free. That discount, okay? The original price is $210. I give it out for $110. Okay. If you want to learn how to be a professional when it comes to looking at these crypto markets, definitely check it out, and you can actually check out my testimonials. Okay. Results don't lie. Okay. There's no crypto course in the crypto space that's getting this amount of results. Okay. Go check this live stream alone. Check this live stream and look and scroll up and see the people that's actually making money today. So shout out to everybody that's here. If you don't have this course by now, check it out. I told you on a live stream, is that discount when I get off is not. So I just gave you guys that link. Shout out to Vajal. If you know, if you want to learn something, you could definitely copy it. Let's see here. Walter said, Vajal, goodbye. Go hodl. Yo, where's my laugh button at? That's funny. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Hold on, let me see my laugh button. Oh my gosh, that's funny. He said, go hodl. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Let me see here. Richard said, I can't wait to place my next trade. Shout out to Richard making his money. Walter said, consolidate did another drop. Yeah, that's pretty much what Bitcoin looks like it's trying to do. It looks like it's consolidating and going to that next drop. Okay. You know, I don't know how long it's gonna play around, because usually Bitcoin usually don't play around that many days. If you look at the past, you know, when we chop around, it's usually like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's usually around 9 or 10 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yeah, it could chop around a little bit more. Let me see how many bars this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So probably either a couple more days or so. We're gonna find out what Bitcoin wants to do. It usually don't stay in the consolidation zone too long. Let me see what's going on here. Richard said, I made my money back in 2 days. Yeah, Richard, we all know that. We all know that, you know, that guy is just, he's mad at himself. You have to understand. You can't convince someone that hates, you know, hate his own, he hate himself. So, you know, it is what it is. Let me see. He hates himself. So, let me see here. Ben doesn't need money. Subscribers, couple of charge more for a course. It's only to help us subscribers. Exactly. So, first of all, he don't even know what he's talking about. Okay. He's, like I said, he's just frustrated right now. And I don't know why. Well, I do know why, but you know, it is what it is. Fashad said, I love XRP is going to the moon. It can go to the moon. It's just, unfortunately, we are in a bear market. Fashad, though, did you get the did you get my course yet, Fashad? You got to check that out, because you seem like you are very heavy into just waiting. So if you want to learn another strategy, just check that course out. Let me see here. Flex said, Ben, are you sure in the ETF news the 24th? To 24th, what is it? August 24th? August 24th? I thought it was in September. Flex crypto. I thought it was in September. No, it's August 24th. Let me see here. I think by Monday Bitcoin is going up. Happens every week. Fashad, when you say it's going up, how far are you talking about? Dom said, I think it's going to form I think it's going to form a right shoulder, then go back down. Keith says, later Ben and guys, wifey's yapping. The jaws today can't hear nothing. So, yeah, all right, no problem, Keith, man. Shout out to you, Keith. Thanks a lot for checking in. I understand you have to spend time with your wife. So August 24th is the date. You said they have 4 ETF pending now on August 24th. Well, you know, I'm not gonna short anything. I gotta wait for that confirmation, but you know, I'll see what's going on. Andrea said, Ben, I'm new. I bought the course right now with PayPal. How can I get it? Shout out to you, Andreas. Andreas, did you check your email right now, Andreas? Did you check the email? Check your actually check your if you don't see an email right now, check your spam folder and let me know. Let me know right now while we on the live stream. Check your spam folder, okay, or check your regular email, and it should be there. So let me know. But shout out to you. Thanks a lot for actually getting the course. Let me give you that cha-ching button because I tell everybody that get the course. Once you get it, okay, you have the ability to, you know, look at the chart and see opportunities because there's a lot of money. There's a lot of money. I mean, there's a lot of opportunities out here. And a lot of people can actually make a lot of money if they just open their eyes. Okay, so shout out to you. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Let me give you that round of applause. You said check your spam folder already not there. That don't make any sense. Hold on. Refresh your browser, Andreas. And if you don't have it right now, email me right now. Okay, email me right now if you don't get it, because usually it's gonna send the course right away. Okay. So refresh your browser and see if you got it in your regular mail or your spam folder. If you didn't, let me know. I'll email you the course. And anybody don't have this course right now, if you get it right now, like I said, it's going to be a discount. But once you get it, you have to understand, once you get it, send me proof that you got it, okay? And I will give you that link to that Discord. So you can come with us, chill with us, look at some charts, talk with me and my students, okay? It's a great group. There's no haters. So yes, if anybody have some questions right now, let me know. Flex said August 24th, September 7th, September 14th. The big one is September 30th. Okay, I hear you. So that's what we're waiting for, that big one, September 30th. I don't know if these other ones are going to do anything. But like I said, Bitcoin right now is in this box right here. Right, it might be playing around. Okay, might be playing around in this box probably for the next 2 days or so, or maybe not, who knows. But these other coins right here, these other coins, they don't really look good at all. Doesn't look good for them. But we'll see what's gonna, we'll see. Yeah, so Andreas, let me know. So guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. Write it in the chat box. Using Bitcoin Cash, day trading, Colin. Shout out to Colin. Let me see if I see any questions here. Yeah, I don't see no questions. So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. So what we're looking at here is most likely another continuation, another leg down, and probably gonna happen next week. Probably, we don't know exactly when. Okay, tomorrow might be a green day. We might see a green day tomorrow, but you know, be careful. Be careful. This market is fishy right now. Okay, it's unstable. And it been selling off like crazy. So this big sell-off tells me that most likely we're going to have another leg down. Andrea said, refresh it, nothing there, no email. So yeah, did the Andreas, did the payment go through? You said you didn't you said no email from PayPal. Yeah, so did the payment even go through? Let me check. I'm gonna check my orders right now. Let me see if you bought anything. Yeah, Andreas, on my end it said that I have it said that no one made a sell, so you didn't buy anything, Andreas. It didn't go through. So try it once again, because PayPal should email you right away. So I checked on my end and I don't see anything, any sales. So the payment didn't go through. So you gotta try again on your end. Big Sky said, "Hey people, how much more Bitcoin dumped down? Any guess?" Big Sky, you must be new to the channel. Welcome. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We don't guess over here, Big Sky. Okay, we can do all the guessing we want, but guessing doesn't make us any money. Okay, Big Sky, guessing doesn't make us any money. So instead of guessing, we like to make money right now in this current market. Okay, Big Sky. So I don't know. Actually, let me ask you this: why do you why do you want to know? Let me see. Let me read your question again. How much more will Bitcoin dump down? So why do you want to know how much more Bitcoin will dump down? I guess that's my question to you. Andreas said, okay, try again. Yes, try again, because nothing went through. I'm looking at my end. I didn't get no sales at all. So that means that no one bought. So you have to try again. Fashad said, I will buy your course next week. Shout out to you, Fashad. Creation said, I bought your course in July. What proof do you need? Just show me a screenshot that you bought the course. I'm quite sure either PayPal or the thank you page or whatever the case is. Just send me a screenshot. So Big Sky said, and email me, Creation. I'm quite sure you have my email address. Big Sky says, so I can buy and I don't want the whales to take my money. Okay, so Big Sky, welcome to the channel. First of all, you have to understand that we are in a bear market, so no one knows the bottom. You have to understand that, okay? No one knows the bottom. That's just how it is. So in the bear market, you shouldn't care about the bottom. Okay? That's the wrong attitude. In the bear market, you should say, okay, how can I make money? Okay? How can I make money right now in this current market? That should be your attitude, because a bear market can last for years. So your attitude shouldn't be like the rest of the crypto world. I know you're probably new to the channel. I know that you are used to people saying buy the dips, keep on buying the dips. No matter how low it goes, buy the dips. But over here, I don't teach that because I do this full time. This is what I do. Been doing this for 11 years. So I'm not going to tell people to buy the dips so they can lose their hard-earned money. Okay? So you have to figure out ways to make money in this current market. That's how me and my students are doing. We are basically making money in this current market. Okay? So, you know, it's up to you. At the end of the day, it's up to you to, if you want to take that next step. Most people don't want to take that next step. Let's see if I see any more questions here. Dom said, I can't wait to see a setup on a daily chart. Yes, Dom, shout out to you. Shout out to you. Richard says, show a scenario of going from day charts to 4-hour charts, Ben. I don't know what you mean by that. Can you let me know what you mean by that? So Creation said he sent it. All right, no problem, Creation. If you sent the email as soon as I get off this live stream, I'm definitely going to reply back with that Discord. Dom, don't tell Big Sky that 5,000 is the bottom. Don't tell him that, Dom. No one knows the bottom. Okay? Don't give anybody no hope or anybody any type of idea when's the bottom, because they're going to buy at that level and they might get crushed. So don't get nobody hopes up and say 5K is the bottom, because we don't know the bottom. Okay, guys, let's be professionals over here, because we have to understand these other crypto people, they are so brainwashed. Okay, they are so brainwashed to the point that they don't know what they're doing. Okay, they following YouTubers that's telling them to buy. Okay, this thing could go way lower than 5K. I'm looking at the chart. Okay, based on my experience, I'm looking at the chart. This thing could go way past 5K. So just be careful out here, guys. Let me see. Yeah, Dom, no problem. No problem, Dom. I'm just letting you know that you have to understand, people will actually take your advice and start to buy. Andreas says, sorry, Ben, it bring me to PayPal and logging in, but nothing happened. So, Andreas, why are you trying to log in? Do you have a debit card or a credit card? You can actually you can pay with PayPal without logging in PayPal. So, Andreas, you can actually pay with your debit card and your credit card without logging in. So let me know. See, you see Dom? You see Dom what you just did? Dom's Big Sky said, Dom, I believe you, bro. Don't worry. You see what you just did, Dom? People in this crypto world are so, they will literally take your word if you say, I believe this is the bottom. Okay, so this is why I don't want this to go on my show, because I want us to be professionals. Okay, you have to understand. Dom, I'm quite sure that you saw my last video. I'm quite sure you saw my last video when I said that people in this crypto world love to talk in absolutes. We don't know nothing. Okay, guys? We don't know anything. We just players in a big ocean, and we don't have control over the waves. Let me see. Yeah, Leonard, it's okay because Big Sky is he's going to buy it anyway, most likely, because he said, don't, I believe you, bro, don't worry. So most likely he's going to buy around that area, okay? Guys, you have to understand what's a bear market, okay, guys? A bear market is not designed to go down a certain level and then just reverse. A bear market is designed to reset. It's designed to take your money. It's designed to make you bleed. Let me see here. Dom said, dang, I messed up. Nah, you didn't mess up, Dom. You didn't mess up. Shout out to you, Dom. You didn't mess up. I'm just letting you know that you have to understand, people in this crypto world will believe anything. This is why these YouTubers are getting away with what they're doing right now. They're getting away with it. Okay, these YouTubers been wrong for the whole year. For the whole year, guys, they've been wrong, right? And I've been on the money. I've been on the money this whole year, and you see people come on my YouTube channel hate. You see people hate on me for being right. Do you see what's going on in the crypto world? You have people hate on people that's right, and love people that's wrong. That's pretty much wrong for the whole year. So I'm not getting on you, Dom. Don't worry about it. You good. You're all good. It's all good, Dom. Let's see what I got here. Yeah, Andreas, let me know what's going on, because you definitely should not have a problem with PayPal because you don't have to log in. So Andreas, let me know the update. Richard wants to know the difference between a 4-hour and a daily chart. You said the 4-hour and the daily chart. What do you mean the difference between a 4-hour and the daily chart? I don't. Please, guys, can you be more specific? What do you mean? What's the difference? I don't get that, because a daily chart is the candles is based on one day. The 4-hour is based on 4 hours. So please, can you be more specific? A bear market could last for 3 years. So shout out to Leslie Savage. He definitely understands the bear market. Okay, we've been in the bear market for 8 months, guys. This could be just the beginning. Just like Leslie Savage said, this could last for years. Okay, I think most people think I'm joking when I say that. You said not working 3 times already. So if it's not working, Andreas, email me right now. Email me right now, and let me know. Email me right now, because I have another link for you. I have another link for you that should work. Let me see here. Okay, Andreas, do you have my email? Actually, let me give you my email right now. I'll give you my email if you don't have it. Leonard said we are a grain in the sand. Shout out to Leonard. Leslie Savage said I'm studying bear markets on bear markets as we speak. Yes. When you look down at the 4-hour, what else are you looking for to execute your trade? Richard, you got my course, Richard? Right, Richard? You have my course. I'm not looking for nothing, just a setup. So the 4 hour is the same thing as the daily chart. Okay, so the 4 hour is basically, if I see a setup, I'm taking something. Okay. Actually, it was a nice little setup right here that gave you a nice little 1-to-1. That's if you was quick enough to take it. If you was quick enough to take it, someone could have made an easily 1-to-1. And I will post it. I will post the setup in the Discord. So yeah, Richard, are you in the Discord room, Richard? Are you in the Discord room, Richard? Yes, Andrea, send me that contact because I have another link for you, and I think that link will actually work out for you. Because I definitely don't want you to miss out, you know. Yeah, Richard, are you in the Discord? Because if you aren't in the Discord, I'm going to post on a chart, and I'm gonna show you that, you know, some of you guys could have got a quick 1-to-1. You know, not now. I'm on. You said not now. I'm on here. No, I'm talking about in general. I'm talking about in general, Richard. Do you have the Discord link? Fashad said, I've been in the market for over a year now, but your show is very interesting to me. So shout out to Fashad. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it. Appreciate the kind words. What's going on, Sammy? And, you know, for me, the reason why, I try my best is because I don't want you guys to lose, okay? I don't want you guys to lose. I lost a lot in the bear market. So it's, for me, I can spot it. I can definitely spot a bear market. That's why I told you guys in March. That, you know, this looks bearish, and most likely we will hit the lows. Okay. Let me show you something. When I saw Bitcoin react to this trend line right here, and when sellers came in, I said, guys, it's just like a strong possibility, guys. We're gonna go right back to these lows. Okay, that's what we did. I understand bear markets are very good. So I do this full time. I make money from it. So this is why, you know, I can actually say things with confidence. Most people over here, you know, telling people we about to reverse and go to 50K. And these guys don't even know what they're talking about. Yeah, so Richard, if you have the link, I'm probably gonna post thing today, but I'll probably post the chart. Let me see if Leslie Savage, shout out to you. Dom, are you in any trades right now, Dom? Yeah, so Richard, there's no difference between the daily chart and the 4-hour chart. I'll look for the same setups on the daily chart and the 4-hour. There's no difference. One is much longer than the other one. Okay, it takes 1 day to set up a candle in the daily charts, and it takes 4 hours to set up one candle in the 4-hour chart. But the setups are the same. Doesn't matter what chart. So let me see if I have any questions, guys. Let me see. If you have any questions, let me know before I get out of here. And for you guys that want to buy the bottom, okay, guys, let me explain something to you, okay? For you guys that want to buy the bottom, let me explain something to you. First of all, you've been buying the bottom since January, okay? So, you know, it hasn't been working out for you. So, as a professional, I'm going to tell you, look for, of course, I'm not giving you no financial advice, but at least look for some type of confirmation before you even buy anything. Why would you buy something that's dipping down and we have more room to go down? Okay, so this is the 2013 bear market where we was crashing, okay? Crashing, and then guess what, guys? We was going sideways and then we popped up, okay? We popped up, we making higher highs. You know, it's best to buy something like this that's trending up, making higher highs. Stop thinking that you're going to miss out. Most people just don't get it, guys. Like, why you think you are going to miss out? Forget about trying to catch the exact bottom, okay? Who cares about the exact bottom? You can still make money from if the market pops up, make higher highs. Imagine you buying Bitcoin right here, okay? This is around $300, $400, right? You could have still made a lot of money. Look how Bitcoin just shot up. So stop trying to time the exact bottom and look for a confirmation before you buy anything. I'm the only YouTuber that will tell you that, okay? I'm the only YouTuber that will tell you that. All these YouTubers will tell you to buy these dips because they want you to lose money. I don't want you guys to lose money. I don't care if you buy the course. You don't have to buy my course, okay? I'm telling you guys, from my experience, buying bottoms is a losing game. You've been losing for the whole year. Why would you want to continue to lose? It just, you know, I just shake my head sometimes. Let me see here. Let me see any questions. If you have any questions, let me know, guys, please. About to get out of here soon. And Andreas, when I get off this live stream, I'm going to contact you. All right. DC said Big Ben is the truth. Had no idea you could actually make money other than hodling bags waiting for the pump. Get the course. So shout out to DC. Thanks a lot, DC. I appreciate the kind words. DC is a person that said, you know what? I'm tired of holding bags. Let me see if there's another way I can actually make money in this current market without waiting. And this, you know, my waiting could be, I could be waiting for at least, you know, a couple years from now. So let me see if I actually could make money right now. So shout out to DC for, you know, taking that next step. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to you. And shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to everybody that's here that's, you know, thinking outside the box. Dom said, okay, you're not in any trades. I hear that. Let me see here. You said you got out your trade while you was at work. It was a nice bonus. Shout out to you. So you said the 4 hour is a little far from the are you talking about right now? Are you talking about right now, Richard? What do you mean is it far from the moving average? Let me see. Let me change this. So you took a BTC trade, Richard. What price you took the BTC trade, and when you took it today or yesterday? So Big Sky said, I doubt 3 years. If XRP start being used X rapid, the price will reverse with a blink of an eye. So you see what I'm talking about, guys? You see what I'm talking about? This is why I made that video today. Okay? I made that video today. And I you know, it's definitely a much watch. You definitely got to see that video that I made today. And this is exactly what I'm talking about, okay? Big Sky said, I doubt 3 years. If XRP start being used, X Rapid, the price will reverse with a blink of an eye, okay? You see the words that he oh my God. So basically he's talking in absolutes. The price will reverse. You hear that? You hear the language that he's using? The price will reverse with a blink in an eye. You hear that? Okay, this is the problem that I have with the crypto world. Okay, eventually I'm gonna take a break from this because, you know, he's giving me a headache. But this is what I have a problem with the crypto world, because you have to deal with people, these stupid YouTubers that are brainwashing other people. They are brainwashing other people by saying stupid things like Tron is going to $50 by the end of this year. Bitcoin is going to 100K. The ETF is going to moon up the crypto world. Stuff like this, okay? Guys, you have to understand, guys, we know nothing. We just little dots. We just little dots. We have no power. We know nothing. Just because you believe an ETF will save the market doesn't mean that it will. Just because you believe if XRP is being used and the price will reverse doesn't mean it will reverse. It's just your beliefs. Your beliefs are not reality. Goodness gracious. I just can't believe it. I don't get why I'm the only one on YouTube is telling people this. Let's see if I see any coins. I mean, any questions here. No, on trades I made this week, I looked at the daily chart and then the 4 hour. Okay, so you said the chart. So did you look at Richard? Do you look at my updated videos? I had some updated videos that I made. Okay, did you look at that? Did you look at my updated videos, Richard? Shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see if I have any questions here. You said don't believe the hype on the moon talkers. Yeah. This is why I have people unsubscribing from my channel, because I'm not telling them that I'm not giving them what they hear. I mean, they want to hear. Oh, so you said you didn't finish? Okay, yeah. When you go to the Discord room, Richard, look at the updated videos real quick. Leonard said Lambos and moons. Yeah, nonsense. Yeah. Man, so yeah, guys, just be careful out here. definitely be careful. Right now, it looks like another red day in the crypto market. Okay, this is nothing new for us. Okay, there's nothing new. You know, seeing red days. You know, I truly believe in my heart most people don't understand what a bear market is, but you know, I guess it is what it is. The Bitcoin dominance is at 51.9, and most likely is going to continue to rise. It pulled back a little bit, which, you know, that's how things go. But I'm guessing since we are starting this rise, I think it's going to continue to go. So we most likely will test this high. So let's see this dominance right here. So Bitcoin was at 62, right? Was it 62, something like that? And this is December 2017. So Bitcoin was at 62%, 62.41. So most likely, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin hits that 62 level again. Okay. In order for Bitcoin to hit that 62 level, most likely these coins will continue to go down. And this is what's going on right now. Because if it's rising like this, most likely it will continue to rise like this. So don't be surprised if you see Bitcoin at 60% either by the end of this year or next year. Let's see what's going on here in the chat room. So guys, let me know if you have any questions before I leave. Oh man. Walter said the unsubscribers are 80%, 90% losers. Shout out to you, Walter. Sammy said red days on the weekends. Yep. DC said, why wait for an ETF or good news when you can actually make money right now? So shout out to DC. DC understands what's really going on. Richard said, I lost 90 and I'm still here. So shout out to you. Yeah, a lot of people lost a lot, man, buying that stupid high. Buying the high of Bitcoin. A lot of people lost a lot buying this high. Matter of fact, anybody in this chat room right now, anybody bought at the top, let me know. I never asked that question before. Anybody in this room right now, did you buy Bitcoin or any coin at the top? I want to know. Leonard said, life doesn't work that way. Otherwise, we all be millionaires. So shout out to Leonard. He understands, okay? Leonard understands that, you know, just because you think something is going to happen doesn't mean it's going to happen. Because if it was that easy, guess what? Everybody be in the crypto world, chilling, making millions. Okay? Leslie Savage said, personally, a lot of these coins will be gone. It's a good space. Exactly. Okay. A lot of these coins have to go. And actually, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. A lot of these coins have to go. Ben, you are left. Ben, are you left or right side in Florida? Oh, I'm on the I guess the right side. I guess you call that east. Glenn said 1,855 coins. That is way too many. Yes, that's way too many. A lot of these coins are not doing nothing. Let's keep it real, guys. A lot of these coins are not even being used. Right? Nobody using those coins. Nobody's sending these coins back and forth to other people. Let me see. So Leonard said I bought at the top, but I sold at 17K. So shout out to you, Leonard. I'm glad that you sold at 17K. So let me ask you a question, Leonard. What made you sell at 17K? Because most people, a lot of people are not, you know, that savvy. You know, a lot of people really, you know, they'll probably hold on a little bit longer. So let me know, why did you sell at 17K? Richard said I bought in January and continued to in June. Sheesh. You see what I'm saying, guys? This is exactly what I'm talking about here, okay? He said he bought in January and he was continuing to do it in June because he probably was listening to these stupid YouTubers that's telling you to keep on buying. Man, I mean, your hard-earned money is just disappearing right in front of your eyes. We don't know when this market is going to go right back up. Leslie Savage said I invested 4K in January. Sheesh. Lost half of it before I got smart. So you sold, Leslie Savage, you sold? Did you sold or you still in? Leonard said my friend who's a trader warned me. So shout out to Leonard. Shout out to you, you know, getting out before you know, before losing a lot of money. Shout out to you, man. Sheesh. So Richard said down 10K. Damn, that's crazy, man. Yeah, man. You know, a lot of these YouTubers. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This is what I'm talking about. These YouTubers don't care about you. They would tell you anything so you can come back. Okay, come back and view their channel. You know, buy the dips, guys. Buy the dips. That's what they saying. You say yes. I forgot what question I asked you, Leslie Savage. You said you sold most of it, or you sold all of it. I don't know. I don't know. Forgot the question I asked you. Yeah, Richard, I feel for you too, man. Losing a lot of money, but you know, you have the Richard, you definitely have the right spirit because you said that you didn't give up. And now you said you made money on your first 3 trades. So I like that, Richard. You definitely got the right spirit because most people, they would just give up, right? And say, I'm done with this. But you are still fighting. So that's what I like. You have to be a fighter if you want to become successful. I lost a lot of money too. But I didn't say, you know, forget this, man. I'm done with this. No, I kept fighting. And the reason why I kept fighting because I saw people, you know, well, I knew a couple of people that was basically doing this full time. I'm like, man, I definitely want to do that. You know, imagine doing this full time, man. It's just the best feeling in the world. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're new to the channel, if you don't have the course by now, check it out. Check it out. If you don't have the link, let me copy and paste. Andreas, are you still in this the chat? Andreas, are you still in the chat? Shout out to Richard. Richard said, I'll be good. I'm for Far Rock, baby. Two things. Knowledge of self and how to hustle. You damn right. If you from New York, man, I'm telling you, you definitely know how to hustle. For the most part. For the most part. Let me see. Glenn said I started following crypto in October, but I didn't buy until late May. I hear you. Leslie Savage said I got out with 2K and took my wife to the beach and paid some bills. Shout out to you, Leslie Savage. Shout out to you. I don't blame you, man. I don't blame you for losing, you know, half and taking it out. Leonard said, oh my God, Richard, I went to Far Rock High School. Shout out to you, Leonard. Actually, my brother went to Far Rock High School. Long time ago, though. Let me see. Leonard said, I ain't kidding. Mott's. Yeah, I know where Mott's is at. Mott Ave. Man, your guys is bringing up some, memories right now. Leonard said, I used to play dice. Shout out to Leonard. Play that dice. Oh, Mott. Small world. Yeah, I used to live on Central Avenue. I used to live on Central Avenue. That's when I was like little though. I used to live on Central Avenue. It was always drama in Far Rock. It was always drama in Far Rock, man. Let me see here. So, guys, if you have any questions in the crypto world, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you have any questions in the crypto world, let me know. Please let me know. Because I'm about to get out of here soon. It is the weekend, so I'm going to let you guys enjoy the weekend. So, overall, guys, we are still in the bear market. It looks like we're trying to make another leg down. These altcoins look weak right now. We popped up the other day looking nice. Everybody was happy. I actually had a couple of trolls on a live stream. Happy, right? And then we get this nice little big bar right here, which is pretty much wiped out all the gains. So this doesn't look good for anybody that bought. I'm quite sure a lot of people bought this and they still holding. So you have to understand the bears know that you want to buy the bottom. Okay, this is why they continue to sell, right, and take your money. They continue to pop up, make it look like we going to reverse, and they just go right back down. Let me see here. Leslie Seven said, my wife is from Far Rock. Been there several times. Shout out to you. So Leslie Savage, where you from right now then? Where you from right now? Where you from, Leslie Savage? You from New York? Leonard said a lot of drama. That's why I left. Yeah, man. Beach Channel. So, Beach Channel, man, those are the days. I hear you, man. I hear you. Yeah, so yeah, guys. Let me know if you have any questions on that crypto. Kiko said your 30K is down to 5K. So your 30K is down to 5K. Sheesh. You know, hang in there, Kiko. Hang in there. If you want, you know, I mean, basically right now, right now in the bear market is a time to learn about the market. It's not a time to wait. Most people is making this a waiting time, but it's not. A bear market is not a waiting time. It's a time for you to actually to learn from the market. See what you can learn from it. Okay, I hear you, Leslie Savage. So yes, anybody that's have any questions before I get out of here? Because right now nothing's going on in the crypto world. It just looks weak right now. Most likely we probably will see it probably will go under that 200 billion market cap once again. I don't know if it's going to be this week coming up or what, but you know. Let's see here. Yeah, so guys, I'm about to get out of here. Thanks a lot for coming through. I don't see no more questions. Thanks a lot for coming through, guys. Appreciate it. Make sure you guys have a safe weekend. Make sure you guys have a safe weekend. You know, be careful for buying these. You know, buying these dips. Be careful, because we don't know the bottom. If you do have my course, email me the link. So, email me proof so you can actually get the link to the Discord room. And that's about it. You say you had some high hopes. He was wrong. Yeah, you know, being wrong is not a bad thing. You know, you just have to learn from your mistakes. Right now, we're in the bear market. And that's a, you know, you have to treat it like a learning lesson. You know, you have to learn from it. So being wrong is, you know, it's whatever. It hurts. Yes, I do agree. But just learn from it. Definitely learn from it. But shout out to you guys. Have a good weekend. Make sure you guys be safe. Be safe out here. And I'll talk to you guys later. And have a great day. Have a great day, guys.